Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. So we have sy, y square, s square, sy. They are discrete number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So if we do first the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we just have only v, and we can simplify like this. And we know that this one that is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we need to change by vs. This one we change by this one. So we need to simplify s squared for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we divide both sides by 2 plus v. Next, the negative will change the sign of this one. Next, I will put v go to the right, and we have negative v. So this one we do common denominator. So now v multiplied by number 2 and v in here. So we change the sign of this one, and we have negative 2v negative v squared. So we simplify v squared, and v and 2v in here. We have negative 3v. Now I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right, and we have like this. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So this one we put number 3 go outside. This one we can separate them in here, because v divided by v we have number 1, and now we have the final answer. The integration of 2 over v, that is about number 2 ln of the absolute value of v. Number 1, that is about v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.